Hello everyone. Hope you all are good and safe at your home and revising everything which we have done till now. Today do you know what we will learn? Today we will learn about a new letter F. Letter F. And what is the sound of letter F? The sound of letter F is fine. Now let's learn more words starting with letter F. Let's learn more words starting with letter F. F. Frog. F. Frog. F. Flower. F. Flower. F. Fountain. F. Football. F. Farmer. Farmer. F. Friends. F. Friends. They all are friends. They always play together. Friends. F. Friends. And what are these? Fruits. F. Fruits. F. Fruits. F. Face. Face. F. Fish. F. Fish. F. Fan. F. Fan. F. Frog. F. Frog. So, in this way, we learn so many words starting with letter F. What we learn? We learn so many words starting with letter F. Now, what we will do? Now, we will learn how to write letter F. See how to write letter F. As we are having 4 lines in our English notebook. Let's see how to write it. F. 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 So in this way you have to write letter F in your English notebook and draw and color a picture on the other page. Click a picture and send it to me. So in this way we learn how to write letter F. Now what you have to do? You have to practice to write letter F in your English notebook. Now what you have to do? Now we will do a craft. It's craft time. I'm filling this white paper with this blue color. Like this. आपको भी इसी तरह से व्हाइट पेपर पे कलर करना है. Okay? Now, I will use green color also. Now see, I will draw some stones here. And I am coloring it also. Now I will paste fish here. As I am having cutout of fish, I will paste this fish here. तो देखा आपने मैंने कितनी सारी फिशेस को यहाँ पे पेस्ट किया है. नाउ आई विल पेस्ट these stones here. See? I have some cut out of grass. I will paste this grass here. Wow, what is this? मैम ये तो एक्वेरियम बन गया. एक्वेरियम जिसमें फिश रहती हैं. आपके स्कूल में भी है ना? आपने देखा है ना एक्वेरियम? आप भी इसी तरह एक एक्वेरियम बनाना, उसमें फिशेस बनाना. आप फिश को ड्रॉ भी कर सकते हो. यू कैन ड्रॉ और पेस्ट द फिशेस. In a same way, you have to click a picture and send it to me. So, how was the aquarium? It was good. अच्छा था ना craft? In a same way, you have to make aquarium, fish aquarium, click a picture and send it to me. Now what we will do? Now it's activity time. Let's do an activity. Let's start an activity. Oh wow! So many fishes are here. I think all the fishes came to meet their friends. Oh, some numbers are written also here. Let's read these numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, wow, 29, 30, 31 and 32, 33, 34, 35, wow. Next, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40, 40, 41, 42 और भी हैं, वाओ, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. Wow. 59, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76. Good. 77, 78, 79, 80, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. Wow. 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Oh wow, 90 fishes are here. Wow, 90 fishes came to meet their friends. Wow, good. Oh, kids, we learned something. In this way, we learn numbers 1 to 90. See what we learn? We learn numbers 1 to 90. Wow, good. Can we revise one more time? Chaliye, let's move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 0, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Good. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 40, 41, 42. Next, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. 50, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 70, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 90. Wow, ma'am, we learn counting 1 to 90. F, fish, F, fish. देखा, fish के थ्रू हमने counting सीख ली 1 to 90. So, how was the activity? It was interesting. Now you have to play this activity with your parents. Okay, what we learn? What we learn through this activity? We learn 1 to 90 counting. Now, what you have to do? You have to revise letter F. What is the sound of letter F? You have to revise letter F and counting 1 to 90. We will meet again. Till then, bye-bye.